Wise Owl Read-Aloud.
On a warm, golden night, the sand began to wiggle. Tiny baby sea turtles pushed their way up from their nest. One by one, they blinked at the moonlight and, without a map, without a guide, started racing toward the ocean. "Go, go, go," whispered the waves. Fun fact, baby sea turtles use the light of the moon and the shine of the ocean to help them find their way to the water. Beneath the surface, the ocean sparkled with color. A busy coral reef buzzed like an underwater city. Bright fish zipped in and out of coral homes, striped, spotted, and glowing like rainbows. Fun fact, coral reefs are alive. They're made of tiny animals called coral polyps, and they provide homes for thousands of different fish species. Not far away, in a gentle underwater meadow, tall seagrass swayed back and forth. Wrapped around a blade of grass was a tiny seahorse, bobbing like it was dancing. Fun fact, the dads carry the babies in a pouch and can deliver hundreds at a time. Down on the sandy ocean floor, a hermit crab shuffled along, dragging a borrowed shell behind it. "This one still fits, for now," it muttered. Fun fact, hermit crabs don't grow their own shells. They find empty ones and switch homes as they grow bigger. Suddenly, whoosh! A pod of dolphins leapt through the waves, spinning and splashing. "Catch us if you can," they clicked and chirped. Fun fact, dolphins talk to each other using clicks, whistles, and body movements, and they're known to be some of the smartest animals in the ocean. From the deep blue shadows, something powerful glided past. Two great white sharks moved silently, their tails sweeping side to side. Swish, swish, they swam without ever slowing down. Fun fact, great white sharks must keep swimming to help water flow over their gills so they can breathe. Then, from the distance, came a haunting, beautiful sound. A giant humpback whale rose from the deep, singing a long, echoing song, and the ocean seemed to listen. Fun fact, humpback whales sing complex songs that can travel for miles underwater, and each group has its own special tune. As morning light touched the sea, the baby turtles finally reached the waves. They paddled out into the wide, wonderful ocean, past reefs, through seagrass, alongside dolphins, and beneath the songs of whales. The ocean was big and full of stories, and now it was their home.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share.